guys, it's Joe from GadgetryTech.com, and today I'm excited because I am reviewing the KontrolFreek gaming lights. Now, I am a huge fan of KontrolFreeks. I've covered their products for a few years. I've used them for years. Been a big fan. Basically, they make really good gaming thumbsticks. So if you tend to play a lot of first-person shooters, check out those reviews. I have them on the site and on the YouTube channel. Also, go to KontrolFreek.com. That's control with a K. And take a look at what they have. There's quite a bit, and you can find it for all different gaming consoles and accessories. So, but something new and exciting for them, they are like me, they like cool lights. So this is the gaming light kit. There's a few things I like about this. So one is the price. This is only $24.99 and it's 9 feet long. Not a lot of kits for that price from a name brand. Keep in mind this is a quality kit. Will give you that much for that price. Now what you get included is 9 feet of LEDs, and this little USB controller, which is a USB extension they call it. It's all included in this kit, and it lets you change the modes. I think there's 7 or 8 colors to choose from. I know they list them all. Let's see if there's different ones. There's 8 levels of brightness, 20 shades of color, and 20 different patterns. So there's instructions on the top on how to use it, which is pretty straightforward. And again, it's USB powered, so there's no wall warts or anything included. You can't just plug it in to an AC outlet or anything like that. So this can get powered off your monitor or television if it has a USB port. Nice thing about that is if you wall mount a TV and you don't want to run a power cord down or sneak power cords in the wall, this will plug into a USB port on the television. When you turn your TV on, the lights will resume operation, and then you will have to then select the lighting mode that you like. So what's cool about this, one thing I want to point out, now there's different LED lighting kits out there. There's generic brands, there's stuff you can buy at Best Buy. The one behind my desk is made by Best Buy. It's the Insignia brand. It's very basic as far as light capability. It does come with a remote, and at a retail price of I think $35, $40, it's a bit more expensive. However, it's also rubberized, so there's basically a water resistant coating over the top. This one has no coating on it. Everything is exposed. And what they tell you to do is anywhere you see a KF logo for KontrolFreek, you can do up to a 90-degree bend. It is safe to go around corners. That's super important if you're running it around a television or a desk or anything with a sharp angle. So this is very flexible. The Insignia one, because it's rubber coated, not that flexible. You're very limited. Another nice thing, there are detachable points here. You can see these little black plastic clips, and I can pull it apart so I can add or remove extensions as I please. And you can basically make it as long as you need within reason. Of course, you are drawing off of USB power. Now, what's cool is they actually sell the extensions for this. You don't have to do anything crazy online to find what you need. The USB extension that comes with additional power is $10. If you want just another 18 inches of LED lights, it's only $6. So if this isn't long enough and you want to add just a couple more, you can get a really nicely made custom kit for a pretty good price. So that basically covers the gaming lights. Now this is $24.99. You can find it on their website. This is the only company in the past that I've covered where I recommend using the company website to buy stuff. A lot of the times you can find it for cheaper elsewhere, but their site is directly in line with the few retailers that carry them. They ship very quickly. Every time I've made an order for them, it gets shipped out very fast, and and if you're in the US, you'll get your product quickly without paying extra for shipping. If you spend, depending on the time of year, anywhere from $25 to $35 in your cart, there's free shipping anyway. So it's just the same as Amazon Prime. So yeah, safe to touch. It doesn't get too warm. The illumination is excellent. So if I were to plug this guy in, let's do this now. It is bright as hell. Now these also have 3M adhesive tape on the back, so they use a pretty high quality grade tape. Once you peel it off, expect that to hold very well and stick to whatever you apply it to. Just make sure you clean the surface area of where you're applying it using something like rubbing alcohol or whatever's safe for the surface that you're mounting it to. So I'm going to unroll this guy. This is, like I said, it is long. I mean, if you can't visualize what 9 feet is, there you go. There's quite a bit here. Now if I go to the USB controller, let's see if I can do this and still reach it while we're recording here. So let's see, color, so I'm just going to press that. So it was cycling through the spectrum. Now when it first gets power, so if you're hooked up to a television and the first time you hook it up or turn on your TV, power's on, you're going to go through the whole spectrum of color. However, you can press the little button on the remote and start bouncing through all the colors that you like. You can also change the brightness and the patterns So there you go. Strobe, I think there's breathing, yeah, so red on and off. So there's a few patterns you can go through. That's basically it though. $25, very high quality kit. I strongly recommend them. I've been very happy with their products in the past, so I don't think this will be any different. They seem to all love them because from what I understand, they use them in their office and they game test on them quite frequently. That about covers it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment below and we'll be happy to answer for you. Thank you and we'll see you next time.